19 mentors, and 13 of them are here. So they're here for you and showing up for you in a big way. So first we have Mr. Salch. Mr. Salch, do you want to say hi?
Hi, everyone. Good to see you tonight. Hope to see you in the breakout rooms.
There you go. You're definitely going to want to see Mr. Salch there. Mr. Salch is teaching our video game creator class, one of them in Unity. We have another one that Mr. Z is teaching, a metaverse class where you're actually building your own virtual world, and then our hands-on robotics class. Now, again, these are the 11-week courses all throughout the summer, so you'll definitely want to stop by and see Mr. Salch. Next, we have the amazing Miss Anna. Miss Anna, do you want to say hi?
Hello, good to be back.
Thank you, Miss Anna. Miss Anna is going to be doing our Animal Crossing and our Gimkit Friendship for the littles. So supporting some of our younger students in those 5-day camps this summer. So you'll definitely want to come see Miss Anna. We have Mr. Mark, who's not here right now. Mr. Mark does one thing and does a lot of it here. And those classes are always full, which is our Science Explorers, which is our conceptual science class that runs all summer. And it ranges from everything from, physics, chemistry, biology, anatomy, but not confined into separate containers, but free and at a higher level. Then we have the amazing Miss Jolene. Miss Jolene, say hi.
Hey everyone.
Hello there. Miss Jolene is our Minecraft, in case you couldn't tell by these awesome graphics, Minecraft educator. She's doing our Minecraft All Editions Club, where kids come together and share and problem solve, and Miss Jolene teaches them strategies. We have our social club. We have the Bedrock Survival in-game, where they're actually playing in a server together. And then we have our Quest and Connect in-game as well, which is in server. So those are very popular ones. In fact, many of them are already full. Then we have Miss Nicole, who's not here. She's teaching our ghost stories and creepy legends. I always say Nicole teaches the history classes that you wish you could take, parents. So there is Miss Louise, one of our newest educators. Miss Louise, do you want to say hello?
Hi, everybody. It's nice to see you all today. I can't wait to meet you in the breakout rooms.
I have a feeling Miss Louise is going to be very popular tonight as a new YSA educator. Miss Louise is going to be joining us and doing Among Us, our Roblox in-server game, as well as Roblox Dandy's World. So these are all once-a-week courses that are going to be in the afternoons. I see some excitement over there. Next, we have Miss Wish, one of our other new YSA educators. Miss Wish, do you want to say hello?
Hi, I'm excited to be here. I'm glad to meet you all in the breakout room today.
So excited to have you. So Miss Wish and Miss Louise are going to be kind of complementing each other. Miss Wish is going to be doing Among Us in server and our Brookhaven. These are going to be the Monday through Friday camps. So think Miss Wish is doing Monday through Friday camps, and Miss Louise is doing once a week courses, and they're working in tandem to make sure that we have 12 hours a day of Roblox and Among Us. So lots of awesomeness. Then we have Miss Megan, who says she cannot be here, but she wishes she could. She does D&D and D&D campaign creator. Miss Megan's been with us since day one and is hands down one of our amazing educators. Then we have the amazing Mr. Z. Mr. Z, do you want to say hello?
Hey, everybody. Hope to see you in the breakout rooms later.
Mr. Z is going to have a lot in store for you. I think 2 pages worth. We have AI fundamentals, which is neural networks and diving into a bunch of other large language models. We have our video game creators, Godot, and our 3D first-person games. We have game theory, and then we also have Python. Is it 2 pages? 1 page. And I want to just say something quickly. You notice different educators are doing different versions of the same thing. You can take multiple camps. And to that end, I just want to say this for everybody. The camps can be taken continuously. For example, if you're taking chess or you're taking debate, you can take those each week, they change. So please keep that in mind. That's true of these camps as well. We have Miss Alex here. Miss Alex, do you want to say hello?
Hi there. Come see me.
Come see Miss Alex. Miss Alex is going to be doing our STEMology class, which is an awesome class that she invented, which is the intersection of all things STEM and all things mythology. So it's a really interesting class and is definitely one of our most popular. Then we have Miss Amy. Miss Amy, you want to say hi?
Looking forward to meeting you.
We're looking forward to dropping in there. Miss Amy is going to be offering digital art, anime and Japanese culture, technical drawing. Wait, there's more. A college portfolio class to help your artist get into college by presenting their best foot forward, as well as Kerbal Space, visual storytelling, and Pokemon. So I knew there was someone with 2 pages. Miss Amy's going to be very popular this evening. Then we have Miss Katie. Miss Katie, do you want to say hi?
Hi, everybody. Can't wait to meet you.
Yes, we're very excited to come meet Miss Katie. Miss Katie's got songwriting, feminism, our film class, and advocacy class. And one of the parents who was talking in that video that we played previously was talking about their son being in film and how much it means to them. So very great offerings here. And then we have Miss Jackson, our star of the play last night. Miss Jackson, you want to say hi?
Hey, hey, come see me.
Hello there. All right. So Miss Jackson's going to have storytelling, our friendship club. No, we this is what I was talking about before, where when you enroll in 2 or more classes, you get this. You're gonna have the friendship club as well as we have a parent social club too. More on that later. Then we have our theater class and improv. And then Mr. Nelson, who can't be here, who teaches a lot of World War I and World War II stuff. So World War weaponry, which is tools of war, historical crime scenes, World War II Eastern Front, and then World War II Pacific Theater. It's like there's a certain kind of student that comes to Young Scholars Academy. I told you before, the dream was college level classes for young kids. And then we have the amazing Miriam. Miriam, do you want to say hello?
Hello.
Hello there. So you'll want to see Miss Miriam for all things language and mythology. So Miss Miriam has several courses here. We have Latin, mythology, and Spanish, as well as Western civilization and ancient technology and tools. So picture like Nelson's class, but back in the day, or further back in the day. Then we have Miss Jennifer, who cannot be here now, but she's going to try to come at 5. So if anyone has any questions, 5 Pacific. Miss Jennifer is going to be doing our speech and debate, mock trial, and criminal justice. And this is an example of what I was talking about, where you can take, parliamentary debate one week and public forum debate another week, just like some of these other ones, like Malachi. Malachi cannot be here either. He's doing our chess club, board game club, Rubik's Cubing club, and Civilization 7. And I just want to point out, one of the things about our YSA mentors is that they are experts. Like Malachi competes in board games and chess. And we actually had kids who have gone from never doing a Rubik's Cube before to placing at competitions in just 10 weeks. So it's amazing. Okay, and then we have amazing Mr. Sean. Mr. Sean, you want to say hello?
How's it going, everyone?
Right. Teacher Sean has some great stuff, D&D as well, and Wonders of the World. I had a student say on Friday that Teacher Sean's D&D class is 10 out of 10, and that they wish it would never end. And that was high praises coming from a student. And then there's yours truly. I'll be in the main room. I'm teaching Young and Thriving and speech and